Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم. And that you worship only me, this is a straight path. وَلَقَدْ أَضَلَّ مِنْكُمْ جِبِلًّا كَثِيرًا أَفَلَمْ تَكُونُوا تَعْقِلُونَ. And he had already led astray from among you much of creation, so did you not use reason? هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون. This is the hellfire which you were promised. اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون. Enter to burn therein today for what you used to deny. اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون. That day we will seal over their mouths, and their hands will speak to us, and their feet will testify about what they used to earn. ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون. And if we willed, we could have obliterated their eyes, and they would race to find that path, and how could they see? ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون. And if we willed, we could have deformed them, paralyzing them in their places, so they would not be able to proceed, nor could they return. ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون. And he to whom we grant long life, we reverse in creation, so will they not understand. وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين. And we did not give him, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, knowledge of poetry, nor is it befitting for him. It is not but a message and a clear Quran. لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين. To warn whoever is alive and justify the word decree against the disbelievers. أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا نعاما فهم لا مالكون. Do they not see that we have created for them from what our hands have made grazing livestock, and then they are their owners? وَذَلَّلْنَاهَا لَهُمْ فَمِنْهَا رَكُوبُهُمْ وَمِنْهَا يَأْكُلُونَ. And we have tamed them for them, so some of them they ride, and some of them they eat. صدق الله العظيم.